भाई लोग, सुनो ना,
क्या हुआ?
आज भूख लगी है, चलो ना कहीं चलते हैं खाने को।
ठीक है, क्या खाएंगे?
क्या खिलाने वाला, that is more important.
I'm craving for roast chicken.
Lamb chops.
Oh
ओ,
yeah.
एक मिनट, आज मंगलवार है, तुम लोग भूल गए?
क्या?
मेरा 16 मंगलवार का उपवास होता है, मैं वेजिटेरियन खाना खाता हूँ।
Don't you think लोग 16 सोमवार करते हैं, मंगलवार को मिलने लगा है?
फिर मोहित कुछ भी कर सकता है, बट एक
तो मेरा मंगलवार है, वेज।
रोशन,
देख जान, यहाँ पे 3 टाइप के लोग होते हैं, एक वेजिटेरियन, एक नॉन वेजिटेरियन और तीसरे ट्यूसडे थर्सडे पालने वाले।
बराबर।
बट एक चौथा टाइप तो भूल गया।
क्या है वो?
आप महाशय मोहित चौधरानी बावर्ची।
The fourth type.
अच्छा, forget that. I'm telling you all, तुम लोग ये खाओगे ना, I'm sure you all are going to love the food.
Why, where are you taking us exactly?
It's a very good place, newly opened, not newly opened. उधर रिजर्वेशन बहुत मुश्किल से मिली है, मैं बता रहा हूँ। बर्मा सुना है?
पासपोर्ट लगेगा जाने के लिए?
मैं तेरे को बिना पासपोर्ट के खिलाएगा बर्मीज खाना, तो चल तो सही।
ठीक है।
I'm telling you all will love the food. It's vegetarian but उसकी चाय अच्छी है, सब कुछ उसका खाना बहुत अच्छा है।
चल सिर्फ मोहित तेरे लिए।
थैंक यू।
तेरे लिए
तुमने इतना किया मेरे लिए।
So today we are at Burma and this is our first drink actually. Okay, so this is a huge, huge jar. I will call it a jar of peach iced tea, and I'm gonna taste it now. Usually I'm a lemon iced tea fan, but this one's really nice. It's chilled, even though गर्मी तभी शुरू हो गई है. Summers are here, so if you come here, I think this is a must have because this is really delicious. And I'm gonna finish the whole jar and not give hungry Bawarchi or Big Fat Chatty anything, or maybe just this.
Okay. As you all know, the Toxic Baker took the big jar for herself. I have got 2 drinks for myself. This is the Burmese Blossom. It is watermelon juice, cranberry juice, some rose syrup, and the other one is Uno. क्या था यार? Ono tamarind. Okay, it is Ono tamarind. For the Big Fat Chatty, I have kept this water, so let him have this flavored water. Okay, so let's dig into the Burmese Blossom first. It has a nice flavor of the watermelon, refreshing, and little rose syrup. This one, I can see lemon, I can see some jaggery shaving, plum shavings, I don't know what it is. Let's dig in. Okay, tamarind. I don't know what to say. I'm a bit confused. I'll have this one. This one I'll give it to the Roshan. The Big Fat Chatty.
Hi guys, today we have Ansar Khan from the head chef from Burma here. Here he is. So chef, what made you select Burmese cuisine for this place?
Well, it was promoted by our owner. His parents are from Burma.
Okay.
So I've been to his place many times. We were college friends as well. And we used to taste Burmese food made by his mother. And we always felt that there's something in this cuisine which we can capitalize on. So that's when we started had it in our mind.
Okay. And what made you go for vegetarian Burmese cuisine?
Well, vegetarian Burmese food we've done because when we went to Burma and when we tried the food out there, so the flavors of the non-veg food there are very strong. We use a lot of fish sauce and shrimp powder, So we thought in the beginning it would be a good idea to not have all those strong ingredients, whether people would accept those things or not. So that's why we just kept it a little on the vegetarian.
So trying to keep the simplicity of the food in mind.
That's one of them.
And what is that one dish that you would suggest anybody coming down to Burma?
Well, I would suggest them to try the dry Hanshi Khao-Sui, which is my personal favorite.
Okay. Can you just shed some light over the dish?
Basically, it's a khao-sui which is served in a dry form. So it is noodles which is served with some roasted gram flour, some coconut powder, chili, brown onions, your lemon. There's a garnish of cornflakes over it. So it's a complete meal in itself.
Okay.
It's very flavorful as well.
And we see this nice tea bar over here. What is that about?
Well, again, Burma is a tea drinking nation and a tea producing nation, and we've also got a tea salad in our menu. So you would be amazed to know that 80% of the tea leaf which is produced in Burma goes in making of that particular salad. So the mummies that by themselves are very tea drinking people. That's why we just came to be this with you.
Thank you, chef, for having us over here.
Pleasure.
Okay, so here I have is a tohu kue, I think so, kue. Okay, my Burmese is really very bad. Anyway, it is Burmese chickpea tofu with a chili tamarind sauce. So let's try this. Okay, so this is literally looks like a shape of paneer. Nice, spicy. Basically, you can get the flavor of chickpea, but it is wonderfully mashed and everything. That it's yummy. It's actually damn good. So I think this is, if you like spicy food and you want to try something really different like a chickpea tofu, so then I think definitely you should go for this.
Okay, as you all know, and when I pehle bhi bola tha, the hungry Bawarchi is trying to turn a bit healthy.
Healthy, huh, Roshan? Healthy.
I know
it's a bit difficult to digest. So we have here is a tea leaf salad. 80%, they say that 80% of the tea produced in Burma is used to make this salad. I can see here some lettuce, alfalfa sprouts, green tea, peanuts. Let's dig in. Oh, it has a nice flavor of the tea, not overpowering. And honestly speaking, I didn't know that something could be made of tea. I didn't know that, but it's very good. You should try it over here if you're coming. It's called the tea leaf salad. Okay, now let me eat, please. Abhi khan do yaar.
Okay, hi there. What we have here is Nanji cow soy.
Arey, it is cow soy, not cow
About
Cow
you can
soy.
keep your tips for yourself. Okay, it's cow soy. Okay.
It's
It's basically looks like a dry cow soy, and let's just throw in some lemon and start. Looks like a nice heap. What we have here is sand noodles, finely grated coconut, little bit of heat coming out of the chili oil, and what it looks to me as it was garnished with some cornflake chowder, and that's it.
But did you like it or you did not like it?
If had hot, this thing is like good. Don't
shoot के
let,
चक्कर में थोड़ा
don't let it get cold.
because of the shooting it has become a bit cold, but have it little
But we
hot.
all know whose fault that was, Roshan.
We all know it's Bawarchi's fault. He was taking
By-
so many photographs. You know, actually my house got cold.
By default it is always my fault.
Okay, just let me eat now. Okay.
Ek minute, fault by default.
One more dish I have for myself. These two people have already had 1 month. Me and hungry, and why should not I have two? What I have here is white chickpeas with Burmese naan. Looks very similar to a chola and kulcha in layman's language अगर मैं बोलूँ तो, but नान भी देखो थोड़ा Burmese के जैसा है, अच्छा सा. Okay, dig into it and see how it is.
Mohit,
Mm.
how is it?
It is very good. A little bit of coconut. I'm sure they have added a little coconut milk. I can sense the coconut and feel the coconut. Because of being a little cold, the naan has become a bit hard. But whereas in the middle, in the center, it is still soft. It has a nice flavor, I guess. Little bit from the black sesame seeds. Olive oil, I'm sure it has. It is very good. Give it a try when you're coming here. You'll love it. Okay, now let me eat. Bye bye.